Did you know one man has broken more football history than anyone else alive? Jose Mourinho doesn't just win trophies, he shatters decades of failure. Chelsea waited 50 years for a Premier League title until Mourinho arrived and crushed their drought with ruthless control. Inter Milan waited 45 years for the Champions League until he dragged a flawed squad to immortality in 2010. Real Madrid waited 22 years for the Copa del Rey, and he delivered it by staring down Pep Guardiola's Barcelona at their peak. Manchester United went 9 years without a European trophy. Mourinho ended it with the Europa League. Roma had never won a European title in their entire existence until Mourinho did it in his first season. He became the first manager in history to win all European competitions. Not a builder, not a romantic, but a closer. The man called when history refuses to move. Jose Mourinho, the special one.